Hi, I'm Lydia. How are you? Welcome to this peaceful retreat to start a brand new day. Your mind is like a fertile garden, and affirmations are seeds of positivity. When nurtured daily, these seeds will begin to bloom, transforming your inner world and bringing growth and incredible changes to your life. Breathe in deeply here and breathe out fully. Let's begin. Start by honoring the foundation of your well-being, your body. Repeat these affirmations with feeling, welcoming strength and vitality into your physical being. I am strong and healthy. I am full of energy and vitality. I am grateful for my body for supporting me in all that I do. I am accepting all parts of myself. I am worthy of love and kindness. I am letting go of judgment and forgiving myself fully. I am letting go of what no longer serves me. I am safe, secure, and relaxed in my body. I am creating space for health and happiness. I am getting better in all ways every day. I am whole, healed, and thriving. Take a moment to feel these words flow through your body, filling you with strength and wellness. Inhale fully and exhale deeply. Now bring attention to your mind. Let these affirmations guide your thoughts and focus with intention. I choose to begin this day with peace and clarity. I choose positive thoughts that uplifts me. I choose to let go of what I cannot control. I choose to release all unnecessary worries. I choose to embrace everything with openness. I choose courage over fear. I choose kindness and love for myself and others. I choose to believe in myself and my worth. I choose to trust my inner wisdom. I choose growth through every challenge. I choose joy, no matter how small. Take a few moments here to let these powerful affirmations gently settle. Feel your mind becoming calm, clear, and open. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out slowly. And now, connect with your spirit. Let these affirmations invite trust and deeper connection to your inner wisdom. I trust the timing of my life. I trust that all is unfolding for my highest good. I trust the flow of abundance into my life. I trust that I am enough, just as I am. I trust that every moment is a new beginning. I trust that I am loved, supported, and protected. I trust that everything I dreamed of is already on its way to me. I trust my intuition and inner wisdom. I trust the strength and resilience within me. I trust in my mind and body's amazing ability to heal itself. I trust in my limitless potential. Feel these affirmations, opening your heart to greater wisdom and flow. Take one last big inhale. And let it all go. These positive affirmations are now planted deep within your heart and subconscious mind. Feel them grow and blossom into a beautiful garden that fills you with joy and balance. Repeat this meditation every day for at least 21 days, allowing lasting positive changes to quickly unfold in your life. Thank you for practicing with me. I'm Lydia, and may today be the start of something beautiful within you.